Hello everyone, welcome back, and if you are new to my channel, TechG is all about the latest tech and gadgets. Today we are taking a look at this Govee Flow Pro and Flow Plus Wi-Fi enabled RGBIC light bar system. If you're dreaming about having the best gaming or entertainment room experience, these smart light bars are highly recommended. With this video we are going to see the specs between these two light systems and check all the features including the color sense camera. So if you are fancy getting one, please check the link in the description down below, and without further ado, let's get started. On the retail box you can see the product features and the picture of the light bars are printed as usual. In terms of the unboxing, both Flow Pro and Flow Plus get user guide, 2 light bars, table mounting brackets, screen mounting brackets with 3M adhesive attached, power adapter and control box. But just for Flow Pro you get color sense camera and calibration foam stickers. In terms of the design and the specs, these light bars are very compact in size and lightweight. It measures about 10.4 by 3.3 by 3.3 inches and made of plastic material including the table and screen mounting brackets. Furthermore, you can see the Type-C connection end of the light bar. Both Flow Pro and Plus light bars have RGBIC lighting, which is capable of displaying multiple colors on the light bar simultaneously. RGB on the other hand can only display one color at a time. Again, both of them have 2200 to 6500 Kelvin color temperature and 400 lumen with 16 million colors. Moving on, using the control box you can manually access the light bars and can be power on off, change the colors or even activate the music mode or dim the lights. The main difference between Flow Plus and Flow Pro control boxes is you get USB input to connect the color sense camera. Well, moving on to the color sense camera, this will help the system to recognize the colors on your screen and automatically applies them to the light bars. It has a 2 megapixel camera, and this is the same technology Govee has used with their immersion TV backlight system. Both Flow Pro and Flow Plus models are very easy to set up. Simply connect the light bar and the power cable to the control box. But for the Flow Pro, you need to connect the color sense camera to the USB port and use the orange foam pads as advised for the calibration. You can place the light bars on the tabletop using the table mounting bracket or mount them to the monitor using the screen mounting brackets. For the Flow Pro mode, I would recommend to use the screen mounting option, and then you can experience the best dynamic scene mode. You just need the Govee Smart app, which is available on both Android and Apple app stores. Then follow the on-screen instruction for the smart installation. For the Flow Pro color calibration, you get step-by-step on-screen guide via the Smart app. You can place the camera at the top or bottom of the monitor, but I prefer on the top as it is more convenient when it comes to the setting up. Moving on to the installation process, app will ask you to follow up the specific instruction for camera calibration. So if you follow exactly as it is, your light bars are good to go within few minutes. Let's find out what you can do with the Smart app. Well, with the Flow Plus and Flow Pro, you can fully customize the colors you want to display and can control the brightness. With the Effect Lab option, you can try and apply a lot of different colors under different categories. Moving on, you can use these light bars as a timer or sleep wake up light. By the way, you get this feature with most Govee products. With Flow Pro, you get 5 modes, and Flow Plus you get 4 different modes to try. The main difference is with the Flow Pro you get a video mode thanks to the color sense camera. This is perfect for gaming and watch movies. The camera is capable of identifying the colors on the screen, and the light bar will change accordingly. This will definitely enhance your gaming and movie experience to the next level. You get this music mode with both Flow Pro and Plus models. With this, light bar can change the colors according to the sound rhythm with 5 different display modes. And you can adjust the sensitivity or the color option you want via the app. With the next option, you can customize what color you want to display. Both Flow Pro and Plus models support multicolors in line with gradient transition. Using the app on-screen guide, you can mix and match the colors you want. Furthermore, you can select colors from the color wheel, and also you can use warm or cold white option. Within the scene option, you get 12 dynamic scenes available to try in both Pro and Plus models. You get reading, movie, candle lights effects in the list. Let's quickly see some of those effects demos. Last one is the DIY option, as it will allow you to create your own lighting effect and share it within the Govee app users. Moving on, both Flow Pro and Plus models can be controlled via Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. You can simply power on off or even change the colors with voice commands. Alexa, turn on flow.
Okay.
Alexa, change flow to blue.
Okay.
Alexa, change flow to green.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off flow.
Okay.
Well, this is pretty much all the features you can have with both Flow Pro and Flow Plus. Frankly, I'm really pleased with the color options and the brightness level of the both models. Furthermore, music mode on both models and the video mode on Flow Pro is really great features to have. So at the end, reason why I like the Govee Flow Pro and Plus models is you do not need additional hub or bridge to use. As I already have few other Govee products, it is very easy to use within the Govee Smart app thanks to their ecosystem. More importantly, both these models are very affordable and performance are not cheap. So with that all being said, feel free to let me know what do you think about these Govee Flow Pro and Flow Plus smart light bars in the comment section below. If you like the content, please hit the like and do consider subscribing to see more videos like this. Well, see you again with another one and stay safe.